Pakistan has long been a disruptive neighbor to India. For decades, it has been aiding terrorist organizations on its soil which have attacked different places in the country. Every time, Pakistan denies all allegations, stating that these acts are committed by non-state actors. However, time and again, Indian security agencies have unmasked Pakistan and its notorious agency ISI. Recently, again, Delhi police busted a Pakistan-sponsored terror module which was planning to target India during festive season. A report.
Indian security agencies recently busted a Pakistan ISI-coordinated and organized terror module to carry out terrorist activities in different parts of the country. The alleged terrorists were planning to carry off serial blasts and targeted killings in at least 3 Indian states, including Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, in the forthcoming festive season. These terrorists were nabbed at the right time as they were in first stage of their operation. Explosives and firearms have been recovered from them in what was described as multi-state operation. Out of the 6 arrested, 2 were taken to Pakistan via the sea route from Muscat, where they were trained to use explosives and firearms, including AK-47. As per the reports, the duo underwent training for 15 days in Pakistan under a major or lieutenant rank army officer named Ghazi.
एक मल्टी स्टेट ऑपरेशन में हमने 6 लोगों को गिरफ्तार करा है। ख़ास बात इसमें यह है कि इन 6 में 2 आदमी ऐसे भी हैं जो कि पाकिस्तान में जाकर अभी इसी साल ट्रेनिंग कर वापस आए हैं। केंद्रीय एजेंसी से हमें एक इनपुट मिला था कि भारत के कुछ प्रमुख शहरों में कुछ आतंकी घटनाएं करने की एक साजिश हो रही है जो कि बॉर्डर के उस पार से है।
For years, Pakistani spy agency ISI has been involved in anti-India activities. From 1993 Mumbai bomb blasts to 26/11 attacks, ISI's role in providing funds and training to terrorists was exposed on several such incidents. Just few days ago, agencies in India had intercepted a plot by Pakistan's ISI to trigger bomb blasts in Indian trains laden with migrant workers. The attacks were reportedly being planned across various routes through its operatives based in Punjab. Apart from orchestrating terror attacks in India, ISI is also trying to radicalize Muslim youths. Moreover, Pakistan's notorious ISI is also involved in underworld operations, and it has closely linked with global terrorist Dawood Ibrahim. The recent arrests of the 6 accused has once again exposed the nexus of the Pakistan's ISI-sponsored and trained terror modules with underworld operatives.
इसमें बिल्कुल स्पष्ट तौर पे देखा जा रहा है कि 2 अलग-अलग टीमें बनाई गई थी। एक टीम थी जो कि अंडरवर्ल्ड के हवाले की गई थी, जिसे कि वहाँ पे दाऊद इब्राहिम के भाई अनीस इब्राहिम कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहा था। इस टीम का काम था कि जो वहाँ से फायर आर्म और एक्सप्लोजिव आएंगे, उनको ठीक से सुरक्षित तौर पे बॉर्डर के पार कराकर भारत के विभिन्न शहरों में इनको कंसील करके रखना, जब इनका इस्तेमाल होना है उससे पहले तक। और दूसरा काम, ये जो अंडरवर्ल्ड वाली टीम थी, इसका काम था कि फंडिंग ऑर्गेनाइज करना हवाला के थ्रू।
Pakistan, a country in dire economic situation, should stop wasting time by involving in state-sponsored terrorism. The masters of terrorism in Pakistan should understand that they cannot succeed in disrupting peace in India, as vigilant security forces are capable enough to foil all such attempts. If Pakistan still wants to remain a terrorist-producing country, then it should be ready to be destroyed by its own demon of terrorism.